Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2023 axis solid mechanics paper. Question number 79 is consider an electric pole with dimensions as shown in the figure. Let the end R be subjected to vertical force F. The flexibility of both vertical and horizontal bars is EI. Neglect axial deflection of the vertical bar and all effects of self weight. Vertical deflection of at the end R is option A 7 FL cube by 3I, option B 10 FL cube by 3I, option C 5 FL cube by 3I, and option D 8 FL cube by 3I. So this is 2L, this is L, this is F. Okay. Now let this be P and this be S. Now we'll find out deflection by using Cauchy-Euler theorem. So to use Cauchy-Euler theorem, we need to know. So first of all, finding the strain energy of this bar PQ. Consider a small element at a distance x. Then the strain energy, then the moment about that point is F into x, and strain energy we know that m square dx by 2 and that is the strain energy of this small section. If we want to find out the strain energy of whole section, then it will integrate 0 to m. Okay, so this is m square dx by 2 m is f into x. So if we integrate it, then it will be f square L cube by 6 Okay, the strain energy of this PR. Now for this section the moment is constant, that is F into L. So and the length of this section is 2L. So strain energy is m square dx by 2I. If we take dx here, then x will vary from 0 to L to L, and m is constant, that is F into L. It doesn't depend upon this x. Okay. So strain energy for this will be F into L square dx by 2 and limit of 0 to 2L. So integrating will be F square L square by 2EI, and there is no x in it, so integration will be x and limits are 2L to 0, so it will be 2L. So it will be F square L cube by 3L. So that is the strain energy of this PR, and this is the strain energy of this PS. Total strain energy is summation of V2, so that is 7 F square L cube by 6L. According to Cauchy-Euler theorem, if we differentiate total strain energy with respect to a load F, then we can find out the deflection at R. So that is total strain energy. If we differentiate with respect to F, then it will be 7 into 7 by 6 will remain same, so 2F into L cube by EI, so it will be 7 by 3 FL cube by EI. So answer is option A, 7 FL cube by 3 EI. Option A is the answer.